everyone, this is Goozy Girl and today I'm gonna review Yamaha V Star 250cc Cruiser. This bike was introduced in 1988 as Route 66. It was dropped off from the lineup in 1990 and then returned in 1995 as Virago 250. The engine has very little changes over this period, and that shows the mechanical resilience of this design. The engine is V-twin and it looks like a cruiser to a T. Well, I'm about 5'5", and as you can see, my feet are planted on the ground. Foot control are in forward position. This is how the key looks, and the ignition is on the side. This is a very basic panel, a light for neutral gear, a light for turn signal, a light for high beams. You get odometer, you get trip odometer. So that's all you get. You do not get a fuel gauge or tachometer. Turn on the bike in the morning, you got to take choke, then you have ignition switch, and then you turn on the bike. It's time for a ride. Let's go. That was a fun ride. So 3 things that I love about this bike, they are: number 1, it's light, small and easy to maneuver. Number 2, you can drop the speed down to 10 in 4th gear and still the bike won't stall. And number 3, it looks great, like a cruiser. It has things that can be improved in the bike. The neutral was really hard to find sometimes, and it got stuck at neutral and it was really hard for me to get out of neutral. So these 2 are the things that can be improved in the bike. So what's the bottom line? Yamaha V Star 250 is a great choice for city riding for anyone who is looking for a motorbike under 500cc. This is the end of the review. Thanks for watching. This is Goozy Girl signing off. Adios, ciao, goodbye.